welcome back to my channel, Plan Like a Queen. So today's video we are going to be planning in my classic happy planner, which I'm super excited about. We are going to be planning for the week of March the 4th through the 10th, I believe. And you guys, I'm so excited to plan this week with you guys. It is on the 4th. It's actually my mom's birthday. I did go down Friday and Saturday and spend the weekend with her to celebrate her birthday and celebrate her. My mom's gonna be 58 and I love her so much, and I couldn't ask for a better mom. So God really blessed me with the best mommy ever, and I love her so much. So I'm gonna try and dedicate a lot of this spread to her, and I wanted to try a little something different than I normally do this week. So I'm super excited to share that with you guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and take my pages out of my planner. And you guys, you guys can see last week was roller skates. If you followed me on my Instagram, you would have seen that beautiful spread. I am super excited to plan this week. I always take my pages out because it's easier to plan that way. I do have quite a few sticker books and washi tapes and stuff that I want to use. So I am going to show you guys some of that before we get started. So one of the things that I want to use this week is this tube of washi tape that I picked up from Hobby Lobby. You guys, it is so beautiful. I love the florals in there, and I am so ready for spring and all that stuff. So I definitely wanted to do florals this week for my spread. Again, like I said, it's my mommy's birthday, so we gotta have some flowers. And then I also have this matching washi that came on. It was like a different little set, but it matches this washi here. This tube actually says that it is the Flourishing Faith washi, and my mom is definitely a woman of God, so I thought this washi would be perfect, especially with the florals and the faith stuff. So I do want to use that. And then I have quite a few sticker books and sticker sheets that I kind of want to use. I'm not really sure my theme yet. I just know it's going to be some florals somewhere. So I do have this really cute sticker sheet here that I want to use with this woman on here. She's so cute. I've already used two of her. I actually did my mom's planner for her, and I forgot to take a picture, but when I go home again I'll probably take a picture of the spread that I did for her. But I did use that girl in there, and I don't know, I just feel like she looks like a it's so crazy. She's like a sexy church lady. So I'm gonna probably use this, and she's so cute, and my mom loved the one I put in her planner, so I thought, okay, why not use one of her maybe in my planner spread for this week. So I do have a few happy planner books I want to use. The first one is one of these happy memory keeping sticker books. I have some florals in here that I thought would be absolutely gorgeous to use. And then of course I have this sticker book, which is the 1, 2, 3, 4 book, but it has some bomb florals in here, and I did mention this book in my top 10 favorite sticker book video. So if you guys haven't seen that video, I will link it down below. But yeah, I do have some florals in here. I have a quote book. I did pull my LOL girls because I might want to use some of those, so I did pull my books for those. And then I have another happy memory keeping sticker book that I thought was really cute that I may want to use, and again I did mention this in my top 10. And then of course you guys know that I always have I always have to have my Joann's Mega sticker book. I feel like it is a staple in my planning, and again I did mention that book in my top 10. So if you guys want to see all the books that I mentioned in my top 10, then definitely check the link down below. But you guys know the spill and the drill of how we plan over here. Go ahead, get your coffee, your tea, your planning supplies, your planner, everything that you need to plan. And girl, I'm about to put some music on, and we are going to plan together, and I'll be back at the end to tell you guys my thought process and everything that I decided to do in my planner. So let's get it.
I'm so happy.
this is my finished spread. I'm absolutely freaking in love with the way it turned out. I definitely did something different this week, and I was just super inspired by the florals that I was seeing in my sticker books. And you guys know that the new sticker book Fun Florals is coming out, and I'm super excited to get my hands on that. Actually, I've already picked it up, but I am super excited to share with you guys. But I definitely wanted to just use some of the florals I already had in some of my other sticker books, and you guys, I absolutely love the way this turned out. So if you guys cannot get your hands on the new sticker books, search your old ones. Search your old Happy Planner sticker books. There's some great florals in those books, and I absolutely love the way my spread turned out. So as you guys can see, I put mom's birthday right here, which is on the 4th, so happy birthday to my mom. You guys, I'm super excited about this spread, and as you guys can see, I know I said I was going to use the other girl, but I went ahead and used the LOL girls. They were just speaking to me. I love the colors that they had on. I felt like it really went with the florals that I had on the page, and you guys, I absolutely love the way this turned out, and I was really happy that I got to use some of my older sticker books and find some inspiration there, because I know trying to find some of the new stuff can be disheartening and just make you feel discouraged. But you guys, definitely search your old sticker books, because you can come up with a bomb spread, and I absolutely love the way my week turned out. So with that being said, if you loved it too, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not to Plan Like a Queen, and also follow me on Instagram, which is Plan Like a Queen as well, and I will see you guys in another video. So bye.